Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning boutique layout pack with 7 different pages. And these pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. The boutique layout pack contains 7 layouts. So we have a landing page, a gallery page, a shop page, a sale page, a contact page, a blog page, and an about page. And the overall look and feel of this layout pack is a mix between vintage and modern. So you have a very nice, clean feeling when you look at the different pages. And of course, it focuses on all of the products that you're selling on your website. So it's a boutique shop. And over here, you can see all of the new products which will be displayed once you install WooCommerce, and then you have a separate shop page as well. And if I go over here, you can see that there's a place to showcase all of your products over here as well once you install WooCommerce and add all of your products. So let's just enable the visual builder right now. And if you open this module, you will be able to sort all of your products using a category or featured products, recent products, sale products, best-selling products, top-rated products. So this is the way you can showcase these on your website. So you will probably use a lot of types on your shop page just to share all of the types of products, the different categories, and also feature the best sold products so people can, take action really quick, and probably also feature products or sell products. All right, so then you have a sale page as well over here. So this page will definitely help you generate more sales, and you can, change all of these values over here. For instance, the 20% off, you can make that match with your discount percentage by just opening the text module and simply changing the percentage. And of course, you can change the images that are being used. Know that all of the images that are included are free to use, so you don't have any restrictions on them. But you can definitely change these to match with your own boutique shop or whatever other shop that you're creating using this layout pack. So over here you have this shop module as well, where you can just simply select the type of products that you want to showcase. Now let's go back to our landing page. So I'll just exit the visual builder over here, and I'm not going to save any changes that I've made, and go to the landing page, enable the visual builder. And if I want to change this layout entirely, I can do that as well by going to the plus icon. And when I scroll down the pre-made layouts, I'll come across the boutique layout pack, which includes 7 different layouts, and you can simply go to the live demo of each one of these pages. And over here, you can see what it looks like once it's installed on a WordPress website. And you can simply navigate through the different pages that are created with the different layouts. And over here, you can see what the shop page looks like once you have WooCommerce installed on it and once you've added all of your products. And you can also see these products on your sale page. So if you want to use a layout, simply click on use this layout. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.